Today I'm going to show you how to get to the Roca Village taking their official bus. So first we're going to start off at this train station here. This is Barcelona bus station, or I said train, Nord. So Barcelona Nord is the train station. It looks like this outside, so you know you're in the right place. Then you're going to walk inside and you're going to see this long hallway. Don't go down any stairs or any escalators, just keep walking straight. If you bought your ticket for La Roca Village online, I recommend you do, you are going to skip all these counters that are going to have other bus tickets, and you're going to end up in a room that looks like this. You don't need any of this because you already bought your ticket. Okay, so you're going to walk past all of that, and you're going to keep going straight until you see Planta Bacia, or main floor. These escalators that would take you right downstairs, but right now that one's broken, so you can go to these stairs right here. Do not go in here, y'all. You went too far if you are. So you're gonna go down this escalator or down the stairs if it's there when you get there. And literally, guys, once you get down there, you're going to go out that door, and it's going to be a bus yard that I'm going to show you in just a moment. Okay. So you're going to walk out here, and then you're going to go all the way down. This is 24, but if you keep going, you see 19 down there. If you turn the corner, you'll see 18. That's where you go. This is the platform 18. I think that's going to be their go-to platform. I have showed you how to get to the La Roca Village. I hope you enjoy your trip like I did mine. And yeah, happy shopping. Bye. This is the bus. And then you got these QR codes here. Not a lot of leg room if you're tall, but it's okay. You'll be alright.
If you look now at your right side, you will see the Olympic Basketball Stadium. Si miran a su lado derecho, verán el Estadio Olímpico de Baloncesto. This stadium is famous for being the first place where the Dream Team led by Michael Jordan played its first game, and also where they won their first golden medal in the Olympic Games in 1992. What's your sign? You are the shine. They looking more body on them floor. Go, 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 go on the dancing room. Go, 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 go on me. Go, keep on it so this shit makes you
okay. So we are here 40 minutes later and a beautiful bus ride over. We have arrived at La Roca Village. I think they're doing a little tour. I'm not exactly sure. So we're going to go find out. And yeah, I'll take you guys along. We're going to eat first because we did not eat before we got on the bus and we're quite hungry. So yeah, and it's actually not that cold today, so life is good. We're starting off at Century. This is our place. This is like the setup. It's really pretty in here. Right here.
Oh, they gave us 5 so we can fight.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. I don't like the texture in it, but it doesn't taste bad.
I don't know what it's supposed to taste like.
This is what it looks like.
What did we order?
Mushroom croquette. Okay,
When I said mushrooms, I expected chunks.
whole mushroom. Not like a puree. Pasta. cod right there. Here, let me try a little bit. I feel like this is gonna be underwhelming.
I feel like it's gonna be authentic and good.
You might want to put pepper on it.
It might be the best pasta we've had.
Okay. Got a bite of pasta. I got it Napoleon. Ready? Pretty good. Tasty.
That is amazing. That is very tasty.
That's tasty.
A lot more than what I expected.
Yeah.
It doesn't look that tasty.
Yeah. I'm impressed.
I'm also...
Fit check. Shirt is Zara. Pantsville collection. Dooney and Burke. And I think these are like Dr. Scholl's. So nothing fancy. But yeah, we're cute. And I don't know where this jacket's from. Oh, St. John's Bay or something like that. Look at this bathroom. How cute. Like, so cute. Little vanity area. These are the stalls. This is something cool. Look at that.
Hey y'all, so I forgot to mention that with your bus ticket comes this concierge service slash personal shopper where you can leave your bags at the store and you can pick them up later. We didn't do this at Ferragamo because we thought we wouldn't have time to make it back to the bus, but we did, so we dropped it off and then we picked it up once we were all done with our shopping. Bye!